Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Cearvol-Wave Lite. These are hearing aids with Bluetooth app control, if you like. AI noise reduction and AUX-in. We are rechargeable for the mild to moderate severe hearing loss, adults, seniors, and it is available in a Starlight finish, in a deeper, or in a gray finish. Starlight, baby. And it's AI powered, a clarity. This next-gen deep neural network technology delivers smarter acoustic processing featuring AI noise reduction and enhanced speech for crystal clear conversation in any environment, and advanced feedback cancellation. The AFC technology actively minimizes whistling and feedback so we can focus on conversations and enjoy a consistently comfortable listening experience. And we have a powerful 40 decibel gain designed to provide significant sound enhancement for individuals with a mild to moderately severe hearing loss. This helping us reconnect with the sound of our life. And it's personalized with the Cearvol App. We use the Cearvol App to easily adjust the volume. We create a personal hearing profile and switch between environment modes like indoor, outdoor, conversation, and restaurant for a truly tailored listening experience. And we can have a direct television and audio connection. We use the included AUX-in cable for a direct connection to the television, laptop, or in-flight entertainment system, and other audio sources for a private clear sound. And we have Bluetooth streaming and calls. We enjoy seamless low-lag audio for music and hands-free calls. We connect to two devices at once and switch effortlessly between our phone and computer. And we extend the battery and the fast charge here. We enjoy up to 22 hours with the charging case. Actual playing time may vary, of course, but the Bluetooth call to the music may reduce it by around 30%. A quick 50-minute charge provides 3 hours of use again, so we are always ready to go. And we find a perfect fit with that, because 4 sizes of soft ear tips are included. S, M, L, and XL. Extra large. So we can find a secure and comfortable fit perfect for wearing all day long. And we have modern IT earbud design. It combines the contemporary, low-profile look of modern earbuds with an effective in the ear. This is ITE design, a confident, stylish alternative to traditional hearing aids. And it comes with a complete kit. The box contains everything we need to start hearing better, including the Wave Lite Hearing Aids, the charging case, 4 sizes of ear tips, the charging cable, AUX-in cable, and cleaning tools. The only thing we will need is, of course, an AC adapter to reload it, or a source of a laptop or a source of other stuff with USB. We have powerful 40 decibel gain, AUX-in port, stylish ITE design, and personalized sound via the app if we like it. That's an AI hearing experience designed for mild to moderate severe hearing loss. AUX-in for lag-free audio, and Bluetooth for remotely control, or we push on the earbuds itself to navigate between the setups and to make the volume up and the volume down. 1 touch means volume up, 2 touch volume down, 3 touch switch between the modes. easy control, easy operation using the Cearvol-Wave Lite Hearing Aids with, if you like, Bluetooth app. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tschüss.